Hey babes, welcome back to J Beauty. Today I will show you guys how I apply my falsies. Literally I'm showing you guys step by step. They're brand new. And how I prep them and how I get them ready for me to wear. So let's get started. Now it is optional to wear them without eyeliner. I like wearing mine with eyeliner. So first, I like using some tweezers to take them out. Of course, you grab them from the end and then just peel them out, just like that. No vienen a la medida de tu ojo, so you gotta like cut them from the edges, from like the sides. They will poke you, they will bother you, and it will hurt. So we are gonna cut them and measure it. So we're gonna measure the eyelash. Honestly, nomás voy a cortar like las esquinas. Not a lot, just enough para que no me esté molestando. I think this is the first time I speak Spanish in my videos. So I'm literally just cutting a little bit from the ends. This is how I apply my lashes. But nomás le corté poquito on the sides. And then I'm gonna measure it again. See how that feels. And I think that's good. And you do the same thing to the other one. And then when I wear eyeliner, I like wearing eyeliner like you guys have seen on my past videos. I like doing underneath. And now I'm gonna go in with my favorite lash glue, Kiss. I got this from Walmart. And we're gonna give them a little bit for the glue to get tacky. So we wait.
2,000 years later.
While we wait, I'm gonna apply just a little bit of mascara on my eyelashes. Just a little bit, not a lot. Now you can apply them with your hands if you're that comfortable, or with the tweezers. I like applying mine with the tweezers. And now I'm gonna apply my eyelash. To secure it, so I just tap it a little bit and pinch it at the very end, just to get them as close as I can. And then same thing with the other. And that's how I apply my falsies. It's super easy. Literally, you just gotta keep practicing. But this is how they look. Super easy. You just honestly gotta practice until you find what's more comfortable with you, if the tweezers or your fingers. honestly, I like wearing them with eyeliner just because if like they're a little bit off or whatever, like you can't really see it because you have eyeliner. But that's it. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.